mag-isa, on game na tayo ah.
First blood. Enemy double kill.
Ay, gago! Nag-flush!
A gift from the
Nag-flush
divine
agad.
comes at a great
Yun lang,
cost.
napaka-cancer mo naman, Lods. Ba't ka nagpa-flush agad? Ay, hindi na sumasabog yung ano. Yung ano yun, no? Ayun, pala ko, hindi na sumasabog. Eh. Ma-win stick sana nga.
Those
Lods.
who cling to sentiments can never touch the divine.
At ngayon,
You have been slain. You have slain an enemy.
tamang ano sila sa akin. Tamang palalim sila.
Passions,
No.
dreams, hope, all are converted to
Gamitin natin
energy.
yung voice pack.
Lo, bida-bida.
An enemy has been slain.
I must reach the stars,
Gusto ko
whatever
tong
the
ano
cost.
Gank tayo.
A gift from the divine comes at a great cost.
Ano mo pala eh.
Enemy.
Tang ina, ang dami nila!
Enemy killing spree.
Ang dami. Trash talk na lang, trash talk.
An enemy has been slain.
Take down their towers first. Those who cling to sentiments can never
Focus
touch
lang,
the divine.
kaya pa yan. Focus
Your
lang, kaya
team
pa
has
yan.
destroyed a turret.
Ang cute eh.
Welcome
smile.
to Philippines!
Pointless facial expression.
Enemy rampage.
Retreat! The Overlord and Tyrant have spawned!
Oras na para tapusin
Tower
to.
shields have been shattered. Catapults moving out.
Passion, dreams, hope, all are converted to energy. I'm so far ahead of the time.
Eh, walang tumulong sa atin mga pre.
A gift from the divine comes at a great cost.
An enemy has been
Nice
slain.
one. Push lang tayo guys.
Energy.
Yan ang trabaho ng ano eh.
Infinite.
My lady eh. Mag-push lang.
Welcome to Philippines!
I must reach
Your
the
turret has
stars,
been destroyed.
whatever the cost.
An enemy has been slain. An ally has been
Retreat!
Those who cling to
An
retreat.
ally has been
can
Push
slain.
na to.
touch the divine.
Wala!
Enemy double kill.
Yun lang. Wala na akong ano.
The smile. Such a pointless facial expression.
Game. Push lang tayo dito
Assemble!
para makalamang.
An ally has been slain.
Ito na naman!
Enemy unstoppable.
I'm dead!
Enemy rampage.
Nakakapanibago kasi.
Enemy godlike.
Passions, dreams, hope. All are converted to energy.
Shut down.
Assemble!
Enemy unstoppable.
I must reach
Enemy double kill.
whatever the cost.
Your turret has been destroyed. Your team has destroyed a turret.
Ano natin, trabaho natin yan.
Those who cling to sentiments can never touch the
Ay,
divine.
gagawin dito na naman. Ayaw kasi naman ano, nag-focus
slain.
eh.
Your turret has been destroyed.
Push na nga lang ako eh. Ay, nako.
Danger dyan, sis! Danger!
An ally has been slain. An enemy has been slain.
Danger dyan, sis!
Enemy legendary.
Danger!
Enemy double kill.
A gift from
Your
the
turret
divine
has been
comes at a
destroyed.
great cost.
Your team has destroyed a turret.
Ayun.
Enemy legendary.
Such a pointless facial expression. I must reach the stars, whatever the cost.
Shit!
You have been slain. Enemy legendary.
It's a JJ! Voice pack! Voice pack!
Welcome to Philippines!
I need to recover! Retreat!
It's a JJ talaga, guys. Nanibago ako dun, ha.
The Overlord and Tyrant have been enhanced! Cannons moving out!
Your turret has been destroyed. Shut down.
Our high ground tower
Your
is
team
under
has
attack!
destroyed a turret. Enemy killing spree. Enemy killing spree. Your turret has been
All
destroyed.
are converted to energy.
Kaya pa to! Kaya pa to!
Focus
Your
lang,
team
kaya
has
pa yan!
destroyed a turret.
Hindi nga ni... Ano...
Those who cling to sentiments can never touch the divine. Retreat! Assemble! The smile.
Ay, nako. Ba't ba ako yung nauuna dyan? Ayaw magtangke. Ano?
Enemy has been slain. Fabulous.
Ay, palaban?
Down. An ally has been
Ay.
slain.
Palaban?
An ally has been slain.
Sa GG.
An enemy
Our
has been
crystal is
slain.
under
Lo,
attack.
bida-bida.
Cost.
Champion!
Your turret has been destroyed. I'm so far ahead of the time. Killing spree.
Ano, lumalaban po. Kaya pa yan.
Ay, palaban?
I must reach the stars, whatever the cost. Passions, dreams, hope, all are converted to energy.
An ally
Tingnan mo.
slain. Enemy
Wala, sobrang bading nung ano namin. Ng tank namin. Hindi
rampage.
ko alam ba't ako yung laging nauuna.
An
Ganun.
ally has been slain.
Bahala sila dyan.
Retreat! Our high ground tower is under attack.
Ally has been slain. Enemy unstoppable. Ace.
Our crystal is under attack.
Defeat.
Hello! Hello guys! Nako po.
A good battle.
Siguro eh. Wait lang. Tignan muna natin ah. Tignan natin yung mga events dito. Tapos na ba kayo sa AFO guys? Scorpio ako eh. Tignan ko nga to. Ano nga po ako? Nasa likod yung Tacoma eh. Sino kaya mananalo ni TI? Lista nyo na, GG. Sino bias mo na rin sa TI? Events talaga ng Hawk, no? Kasi hindi, try natin to. Kailangan maglaro. Nakuha ko na to, guys. Bakit ganun? Pag nag-a-accept ng ano? Nasaan kaya yun? Binibidi ko si... may voice pop din pala siya. Dami ko ng mga wait, kaysa si R lang ako, be right back. Saglit lang. Wait. Try natin, meron kayong watch party dito. Na pwede natin mapanood. Community. Ito, tingnan natin. Wait lang. Ang cute.
I'm a go girl, so I go and go.
Wag na. Ba't makapirate tayo dyan? Wait guys, BRB mag-CCR lang. Hello guys, I'm back na. I'm back. Ba't nawala? Yun. Nawala siya. Mamigay na tayo. Wait, ano bang pwede kong ibigay dito? Ano ba yung nobility ko? Ay, konti na lang. Paano ba magbigay? Siya. Honor of Pass na lang kaya. Ito, Honor of Pass. Gift natin. Sino nga yun? Yan kay Jaymar. O, diba? Nabigay na. Diba, nabigay na. So, guys, mag-e-end na yung stream natin. After nito, may stream pa ako ulit. So, puyatan dots na naman tayo. Hanggang madaling araw. Yes. Walang ato-kato. Kay Paul! Salamat sa pag-drop by Paul. Sana all mabigyan. Mabibigyan ka rin, Fury. Gulatan na lang, di ba? Gulatan na lang tayo. Skin. Yung ganda pala ng skin ito. Bibili ko na Yao-chan.
Release my soul.
Okay, sa susunod na. Kasi ako into, hindi rin naman ako masyadong addict kay Yao-chan. Pero ang ganda kasi na nakuha ko last time sa kanya. Hindi ko pa rin talaga nakukuha yung Mousy. No? Ito maganda makuha, guys.
The universe is enshrouded in myths and magic.
Nabibigyan yan, Jonah. Tumala lang. Wala lang taish.
I sense an evil
Wala
spirit.
pa ako nito.
Here comes the Monkey King.
Here comes the Monkey King. Hi, Ma'am Shi. Busy all day. Daming mga activities sa school. Okay lang. Ganyan talaga kapag marami ng masyadong ginagawa sa buhay. Kaya medyo mahirap na pagsabayin ang mga
The right
bagay-bagay.
path is under.
Uy.
A bard listens to the prayers of the people.
Ako
It will be
ako
un-
na nag-gift doon. Guys, after nito may stream pa tayo. Papay. Pero level 80. May bagyo ba ngayon, legit? Ikaw, William, naglalaro ka ba ng Dota? May bagyo ba ngayon? Ano bang bagyo ang meron ngayon, guys? Tingin nyo. Hindi ko rin maano pero tingin ko nga. Bagyo din. Sana bumagyo. Nagugutom ako. Parang gusto ko ulit kumain. Di pa ako sure nagkapag... Papakiramdam ako yung sarili ko, guys, kung kaya ko pa mag-stream or hindi na. Or after ko kumain. Or pwede siguro off-stream grind na lang ako. Parang gano'n. Pero gusto ko siyang i-stream Like that. Palabas na sa bansa. Mabuti naman. At least palabas na ng bansa. Hindi na ano. Isang gift oh. Enteng yung name ng bagyo. Pang ilang bagyo na kaya yan dumating sa atin, guys? Tingin nyo. Maalala na rin, no? Madami-dami na rin, no? Sunod-sunod yung bagyo na dumating. Yan, guys. Parang masarap na yun. 5 na? 6 na ang parang as in this year lang, noong parang in ano, January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August. Grabe guys, sobrang bilis ng ano ngayon, ng panahon, no? 6 nag-fusion lang yung isa kay Karina. Okay. Parang pinagsama, ganon. Pinagsama na bagyo. Grabe yun. Hindi ko alam kung pinagloloko ko nito ni John eh. So, ayun na nga guys. Dito na natatapos yung stream natin. And I hope na nag-enjoy din kayo na gamitin yung voice pack nila V-Wise. Enjoy naman talaga gamitin. Parang ang sarap mang-asar pag yun yung gamit mo. Lakas daw talaga ng ulan. Dami rin na problema dyan yun. So, bye-bye guys! Kakain din muna ako. Tingnan ko ang aking energy. Pero